Hi. Today we are going to learn about how we can interface RDL Biometric Access Control System to Mitsubishi PLCs and HMI. RDL Biometric Authentication System is designed to enhance the security and access control of PLC, Programmable Logic Controller, and SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, systems. Let's understand how to configure Biometrics system using RDL Access Control software application. Log in by giving the default password RDL810. This password can be changed once you log into the application. Select the COM port. Click on Open to establish the communication with RDL Biometrics system. Click on Settings to set the date and time settings, and Authentication User Information Timeout as shown in the video. And click on Save to continue. Click on User Management. Click on Add User. And register the user by giving ID, username, access level, and department. Now system will prompt you to place your finger in the fingerprint reader. Follow the subsequent instructions to register fingerprint successfully. Now we have registered username Pavan successfully. Click on Detailed View. Now you can see username Pavan is registered with access level 2. Now you can select required communication type. Select Modbus RTU. Click on Slave Mode. And give the slave ID and set the Modbus COM port settings as shown in the video. Click on Set as Default Value to set the Modbus register address. Now you have successfully completed the Modbus RTU slave configuration. Thanks for watching video. For more details, check the description. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Connect with me on LinkedIn, X and Facebook. Links in the description.